Loyal soldiers, we have been tasked with the arrest of enemies of the Order secreted in the Takodana castle. Resistance forces seek to evacuate them. Our mission is simple. Seize the grounds and the castle proper so that no one may escape. We march first to the outer memorial.
Enemy targeted. Grenade out!
We're hitting the memorial.
Grenade in play!
We cannot give up ground now. Hold the memorial. The memorial has fallen. Sweep away the resistance forces.
Hang on, hostiles.
Then we proceed to the next sector. We've detected resistance forces guarding turret emplacements. Set explosives and destroy those batteries. Then we cross to the castle and snatch up our prey.
East turret wired to blow.
Good. Device on.
Hostiles in range. Grenade out!
Explosives offline. East turret lost.
Marching targets moving in!
At the west turret, placing charges.
Entrench and fortify. We've been joined by Captain Phasma.
Launching grenade!
Keep the resistance away from the west side.
Squad, move Team leader sends us forth!
Charges ready. East turret set.
Armed and ready. Our technology is
turret should be destroyed presently.
Grenade out!
Sector secure. Slaughter anyone in your path. We will not be delayed between here and the castle. They're gathering their allies for evacuation, but when the castle falls to us, delays will not save them. Storm the corridors and take this place for the First Order.
I was wrong to meet. Immediate Marine, trial! Turret support deployed. Grenade ready!
Clamping down on the castle!
First the Resistance, then the Republic! Grenade
The
deployed!
castle is falling to us. They'll grow desperate and dangerous. The castle is under our control. Begin rounding up prisoners and execute any